Never seen you, but I dream of you each night. Your voice alone brings warmth to all my silent fights. You're out there far away in uniform and pride, and I'm right here lost in thoughts that only you can guide. I know you without a touch, I love you without a kiss. Every part of me screams your name, but the world gave us no wish for this. And yours will seem right on, even if we've never met. Is this love or just a miracle? Fate tied us, no time, no net. You text me on your break, your words, my little shield. Your heart's a soldier, strong and brave, but soft enough to heal. I'm waiting here while time just passes by. How many nights must I let the stars for our hello, not just goodbye? I'd erase the distance with just one look, reach across the sky, rewrite every book.